Oh, it's a shipment from REV Robotics.
Yes. All the control electronics.
We've just got some stuff here from REV Robotics.
So some Spark, Maxes.
And we're going to unpack it.
Some Neos.
Planetary Gearboxes. So we'll start off with the control electronics. We got the new power distribution hub, the pneumatics hub and the radio power module. So we'll unpack it right now.
Yes.
Let's start with the power distribution hub.
It's really nice looking.
Look at this.
It's really big. These are more slots, right?
Yeah.
More motor slots. So there are 20 motor slots on this one. For example, on the old one we had only 16. We've also got the click connectors, so you only have to click the wires in.
No more finding the right screwdriver to get the cables out. Just click it in and click it out.
And got a lot of breakers for them too. Yeah, so that is the power distribution hub that we've got. And we got 3 of those, so it's really nice.
So next up, instead of the voltage regulator module, we have the radio power module. So most of the electronics which you would usually put in the VRM can now be put into the power distribution hub. And the radio using power over Ethernet can now be connected with this module. So that makes it all a little smaller and better looking, I think.
So it's really small.
So next up we have the pneumatic hub, of course, which is the replacement of the PCM. And here it is.
It's also looking a lot better, right?
Looks very good, small, and it has these nice, I don't know if you can see it, but it has these nice buttons which you can use to get them out, so no more doing it with the screwdriver. Yeah, that's the whole electronics stuff.
So we've also received some Neos and Spark Maxes, but we have also got the new Planetary Gearboxes from REV Robotics for the Neos. They just launched last week, and we also got them right now. These are really very nice to use. They show the gear ratio on the outside of the Planetary Gearbox, and they can also be used on a Neo. So we have a part over here that goes underneath. The axle can go in, you can turn them on. This part goes on this part, and then we have this part that you can put on the Neo to make sure that this part fits on it. So,
but I have already pre-made one. This is it.
So that's nice.
It looks very good. I think we can use it later for our intake prototype.
Yeah.
And we don't have Falcons, but we do have this, where we printed a bit of a bracket to mount the sparks on, which is a very good fix, I think.
It's really nice, Justin. You've made it.
And of course we can see the gear ratio, which was not the case with these old CTRE planetary gearboxes. And besides this, you don't have to fidget with these small gears anymore. It all comes in one package, and
you can also click them together. So it's really nice.
So this was the video. We just wanted to show you guys everything that we've got from REV, and I think we'll be working with this stuff immediately on our prototypes for this season, and I hope you liked it.
So stay tuned and see you next time.